This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's front door and pull the bonnet release handle. Open the bonnet a little, lift the safety catch and fully open the bonnet. Fully apply the handbrake and chock the rear wheels. Position the jack head under the front subframe rear mounting point, then raise the front of the vehicle. Place an axle stand under the reinforced section of the door sill flange. On models where the radiator undershield must be removed, undo the various fasteners and lower the undershield from place. Unscrew the oil filler cap from the top of the engine. Slacken the engine oil drain plug at the rear of the sump. Position a suitable container under the sump, then fully unscrew the drain plug. Allow the oil to drain into the container. After all the oil has drained, clean the area around the drain plug opening. Wipe off the drain plug with a clean rag. Note that the sealing washer is integral with the plug. If the seal is damaged, renew the drain plug. Fit the drain plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Move the container under the oil filter at the front of the engine. Then use an oil filter removal tool to slacken the filter initially. Unscrew it by hand the rest of the way. Use a clean rag to remove all oil, dirt and sludge from the filter sealing area on the engine. Check the old filter to make sure that the rubber sealing ring hasn't stuck to the engine. If it has, carefully remove it. Apply a light coating of clean engine oil to the sealing ring on the new filter. Then screw it into position on the engine. Tighten the filter firmly by hand only. Do not use any tools. Remove the oil container from under the vehicle. Manoeuvre the undershield into position and secure it with the various fasteners. Don't omit the deflector each side at the rear of the undershield. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Fill the engine using the correct grade and type of oil. An oil can spout or funnel may help to reduce spillage. Pour in half the specified quantity of oil first, then wait a few minutes for the oil to run to the sump. Continue adding oil a small quantity at a time until the level is up to the lower mark on the dipstick. Adding approximately 1 litre will bring the level up to the upper mark on the dipstick. Refit the filler cap. Start the engine and run it for a few minutes, then check for leaks. Note that there may be a delay of a few seconds before the oil pressure warning light goes out when the engine is first started, as the oil circulates through the engine oil galleries and the new oil filter before pressure builds up. Switch off the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle in the sump once more. With the new oil circulated and the filter completely full, recheck the level on the dipstick and add more oil as necessary. Close the bonnet firmly to ensure the locking catch engages.